Hey everybody, Chad Kaderi, CEO of ClickGrow, and one of the lead engineers on the team. And today, I am bringing to you Social AI 2.0. It is one of our most revolutionary features that we have done to date. We've literally taken the amazing social AI feature that we have, that you're probably using day to day to post on your social media channels, and have literally re-engineered it to make it smarter, better, more powerful, and adding even better AI image models so your posts come out premium, crispy, and looking better than ever. And I want to go over a couple new features that we added so you're aware and you know how it all works and how to activate it inside of your account. First and foremost, whenever you actually go to your social AI calendar, if you go up in here into the settings and you click on select your preferences, we now have a new feature here that's called image quality. Now, this is one of the biggest features, like I said, we've done to date. Now we have three different options. You can actually tell us, how do you want your images and how do you want your posts? Do you want them good, better, or premium? And what I basically mean by that is good is basically what you guys were using to date, which, believe it or not, is actually going to be the lowest model. So whatever you guys have been using to date, it's only going to get literally 10 times better. And then we have our better model. Now, better and also premium, which we have here, I'll explain to you what we basically did there. We literally re-engineered the entire workflow of how we create posts. And what we were doing before, which is the good model, is we were basically doing it in a workflow fashion. So if you think about whenever you go to your social calendar and you click create posts, it would go one by one and it would create tasks and it would do those tasks. Now, with the better and premium models, we actually incorporated a thinking / reasoning AI in between every single task. And we also re-engineered the tasks themselves. So now, if we're going and we're looking for snippets that would be great to incorporate inside of this post, or if we're trying to reference an image that would be great to talk about for this specific type of post, or if we want to reference images and include them inside of the images in the post, which is also a really cool feature that I'm going to show you in a second. This is now doing this on a next level with our AI agent. So I highly recommend going in, make sure you pick better or premium. These are definitely going to be the way to go. Also, another really awesome feature that we added is inside of content style. Many of you have been requesting that you want your logos to be naturally incorporated inside of the images, so that way you have better branding and it's on par. So now we included an option. If you just toggle this on, it'll take whatever logo that you're using that's uploaded inside of your brand intelligence on the brand identity tab. Whatever logo is there, it'll show up in here. If you don't have a logo, it'll ask you to upload a logo right here. And if you select this, the AI will naturally incorporate your logo inside of your post. So as an example, if you're a plumber and you have a work truck, your logo will be maybe on your shirt and on your work truck, right? So these are just examples of some things that are going to be happening. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you guys some posts. So this is a local barber shop here in our area, and I was just kind of playing around creating some posts for them. What I want you to do is look at the level of quality of posts. Now, we have re-engineered this to make these posts hyper personalized. So the images are literally insane to the point where it's kind of scary. We've re-engineered the way that we're doing reference imaging. So before, what we were doing is we were going and we were trying to find the best image and basically learn from that image and then use those things inside of your actual images that we create. Now what we're doing is we re-engineered the whole image referencing model, so we're able to find images that are related to this post 1,000 times better, and then we're using those images and referencing them inside of your posts to do crazy stuff like this. So this is a post that you saw that we created for a local barber shop here in South Florida. And if I go over here, now we have this new post intelligence pop-up. And if I scroll down, you'll actually see, look what images we reference. So we reference, it looks like an image of one of their customers getting a haircut. And then we also reference an image of another customer that was getting a haircut. And if you look at what we're talking about after your visit to the barber shop, it's a confidence booster. So now we're showing a guy that's got a haircut. Now, if you look at this person's face, this is literally the exact person inside of the reference image. So we're using that person's face, their customer. Our system was smart enough to find out that we wanted to find an image of their customer for this post and incorporate that inside of the actual post. Not only that, look at the new logo feature. We're now implementing their logo inside of the post. We're also implementing on-brand fonts inside of the post, so their fonts are now incorporated. So just making these posts really, really awesome. Even things like this, just regular images, you can see that we've taken the logo and we've naturally incorporated it inside of their actual post, which is really cool. Here's another one, right? So we got another post, right? It looks like it's a team of their barbers at the barber shop. And if we go in here, look at the image that we reference. This is their actual image from their brand media assets. And look at their location, look at the people, and then look at what we actually created, a brand new graphic using AI, their people in their location with a beautiful graphic. This is what I call super, super hyper personalization. There is no other competitor out on the market that is doing what we're doing with the models and the way that we're doing it. So that is the first major update. So new image models, new logo incorporation. We also, it did something for the e-com companies. So what we realized is a lot of the e-commerce companies, they're different from service companies. They're more product-led. They want their products inside of their posts and images. So we now created an image model. Our system is smart enough to detect if you're an e-commerce company, and all of the images that we create are now with your physical products on there. So as long as your products are inside of brand identity inside of your media assets folder, we will start using your images of your products and incorporating them inside of the images that we create, as long as you're using the better or premium image option, which is super important. What I would recommend you guys do, this feature is live for you right now. All you need to do is come into here and go to settings, go to image quality, and I recommend going to premium. If you're a little bit more conservative, it does cost just a little bit more credits. So an extra 15 credits for better and an extra 25 credits for premium. In my opinion, as a business owner, these are very slight, minute costs to get a 10 times better output. So the value versus the cost is a no-brainer in my opinion. So these features are out now. These obviously features will only work for new posts that we create. It won't work obviously for any posts that are already generated. So I hope you love it. Leave your comments down below. Let us know what you think after you try it out, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a good one.